Marilyn Mosby supporters pray outside court as closing arguments begin. Prosecutor blasts her lies. Baltimore, Marilyn Mosby entered federal court in Greenbelt flanked by supporters who arrived by bus. They held a prayer circle in front of the courthouse ahead of closing arguments in the former Baltimore City State's attorney's mortgage fraud trial. Mosby is accused of lying on mortgage applications for 2 vacation homes in Florida to get lower interest rates. Prosecutors alleged Mosby made 11 lies, including about a federal tax lien she blames on her ex-husband, Baltimore City Council President Nick Mosby. They also allege Mosby lied about a $5,000 gift her ex-husband gave her to provide enough cash for closing on one of the properties. They allege Marilyn Mosby inappropriately funded the money herself. Prosecutors also said Mosby rented out a property even though she signed a second home rider prohibiting her from doing so. This is a case about lies and responsibility. The evidence presented in this courtroom shows Marilyn Mosby lied over and over again. The defendant blames everyone but herself, Assistant U.S. Attorney Aaron Zielinski said. Zielinski walked jurors through each alleged lie and why Mosby herself is responsible. Ms. Mosby knew she had a tax debt. She carefully reviewed her forms. These are Marilyn Mosby's lies. Don't let her try to blame someone else, Zielinski said. He said Mosby made no mistakes. She wanted a lower interest rate. Zielinski referred to Mosby as an educated and meticulous lawyer. Do you know what prosecutors know a lot about? Fraud. You don't lie when placing your signature on documents. Zielinski questioned why Mosby ever believed her then-husband, who had one of the worst credit scores in America, about taking care of the federal tax lien. He noted Mr. Mosby got his car repossessed and was not able to keep up with his Baltimore mortgage. She's not credible because her story makes no sense. For starters, it's wildly unbelievable. Zielinski also brought up her perjury conviction in attacking Mosby's credibility. There are plenty of reasons not to believe Ms. Mosby. She is a convicted federal perjurer, the government told the jury. She was convicted in this courthouse 3 months ago. She couldn't even testify on the stand to the basic facts of her own perjury. Conviction, Zielinski said. We ask you to return a verdict of guilty on all counts. This story will be updated with closing arguments from Marilyn Mosby's defense.